Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip here at the Park MGM. I'm going to do a slot pull today because I know you guys love when I do slot pulls. You just love to see me lose. Not very good at slot machines. My past history pretty much proves that. I just don't know when to quit. I mean, sometimes I have nice bonuses, but I just, keep letting it ride until I'm down to a couple pennies and I can't bet anymore. Is that going to be the case today? Let's find out. So I found this Dragon Link slot machine. I like Dragon Link. I don't know why. I like Dragon Link. I like Chili Fire, and I like Wheel of Fortune. There's other ones that I've always been wanting to try, and as you guys know, I am on a cruise ship right now, so I'm going to try a couple slot machines that I've probably never seen before, and I'll bring you those videos as well. But for tonight, it's this Dragon Link machine, and I hope it brings me luck. Let's find out. So I'm starting off with a little of my own cash, but then I realized I had some free play, so I uploaded that to the machine as well. So my usual bet is $5 on these slot pulls, so let's see what happens here. Wow, $220, I'll take that. Well, actually, I don't take it, I play it. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Cool, looks like I got some free games. Good news, bad news here. Bad news, I'm not making a fortune. Good news is, considering I put in very little of my own money, I'm playing pretty long at $5 a spin here. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Well, I was just about to go below $100 of my free play, and lo and behold, a $200 jackpot. Do I take my winnings? No, of course. I'm gonna play it. I gotta tell you guys, this is the longest I've ever played a slot machine at $5 a spin, mostly on the casino's dime. How am I gonna make out? We're gonna find out shortly. Even more free games. I'm starting to feel good about this session. Those free games got me another 50 bucks. Wait a minute. Do you smell that? Neither do I. We're in the Park MGM. The entire building's no smoking. Yay! Uh-oh. Looks like I'm down to my last $100. Yay, a bonus! Alrighty, let's see how long I can keep this going. $240.
Check that.
So how did my slot machine session end tonight? Well, I have a feeling you guys know how this slot machine session ends. You know how all my slot machine sessions end. I went home tonight with $9. But the good news is I played pretty long, and at $5 a pop I probably raked up some decent comps, or at least I hope so. And it really wasn't my money to begin with. Most of it was on the casino, so it wasn't a bad night after all, but I could have went home with a little cash in my pocket.
Advance to New York Avenue.
A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.